Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some easy cheesy garlic bread today. In a bowl, take 3 cups of wheat flour, atta, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well and make a soft dough using 1 cup of warm milk. Use little at a time as you may not need all of this milk. Now take around 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Knead the dough until it's soft and supple. Now cover and let it rise for 30 to 45 minutes. I'll be making 2 breads from this dough, so dividing it into 2 halves. Powder the dough and flatten it evenly from all the ends. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, add 3 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of dried herbs. Mix well and apply it evenly, leaving the sides. Leave some of this butter mix for later. Place some grated cheese in the center. I've used a mixture of processed cheese and mozzarella cheese. Seal the sides as shown. And place it on a baking tray. Cover and let it rise for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the cover. Make marks on the breads as shown. Apply the butter mix that we kept earlier. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake the breads for 15 to 18 minutes or until it's golden brown in color. I baked for 17 minutes. Remove from the oven when it's done. Make slices and enjoy your cheesy garlic bread. Wasn't this easy? Thank you for watching. Do try this at home. Bye.